So yesterday I did a torture test with the hammer on the Allhone Pioneer scanner, and it's got a hatchet mark on the end of it, and that has sort of scratched up a little bit in there. So as this is for sale, it needs to be perfect. So it's a good opportunity to just explain how we replace the handles. So if you just take a Phillips driver and tap out the pin, like that. It's very simple. None of the others can do this stuff. You can't do this with a Victorinox, can you? No, because they're permanently stuck on. And then just take something with a right hand angle in it. Just tap off the handle. And then we grab a new one and put that on and grab a piece of wood. Get that behind in there. You want to get down here to be able to see in the hole, because you've got to line up the hole exactly with the hole in the tank. It's good to have a good voice for it, obviously. Like that. And then tap the new one in carefully. I usually use a screw actually at this point, just to get it started. Just gets even. That's it. And the new handle goes on. You can't do that with Victorinox, F-Dick or any of the others. So this gives you better longevity. If the handle's ever wrecked, you can put a new one on. Good idea, eh?